Yeah, what's up, YouTube? I got them blue lights installed. And my left side was easy. But when I got this side right here, this side was pretty tough. But I got it though. This is when you trying to pull that part back right there. That little flat part. But other than that, I got it. She in there. This is a 2010 Honda Accord. I went on and installed them LED bulbs in there. Look good to me. But yeah, y'all stay tuned then. I got more to come. I hope these bulbs right here ain't too dark at night. Kind of the popos, they're a little hot about it. But hopefully these be the right ones. I won't know till it get nighttime. So I'll do a video on that. Y'all stay tuned. I got more to come. This is 2010 Honda Accord. Any more ideas, y'all just hit me up. Comment, like, subscribe. It's your girl, Sexy Tech. Alright.